Hi, I'm Emma. In this video, I will explain why you need login permissions and how to manage them. Login permissions allow other people to log into your EMM client with your user rights without sharing your password. This way, approved users see the same menu items and elements as you do. You can authorize AGNITAS departments or internal persons temporarily or permanently. Don't worry about abuse. You can track every step that a person with a login permission has taken in the activity log. Important: for data protection reasons, AGNITAS can only provide support with login permissions. Now we will show you how to create and delete login permissions. Click on your username in the navigation bar. Here you will find the Register approval. Now select the desired department and then assign the validity period. Click on Grant Login Permission to add the entry. The table below the input mask shows you all active permissions. If you want to delete a permission before the deadline, simply click on the trash can. And that's it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.